inches or so. So I can kind of explain how I'm doing it, but then I can't do it and talk at the same time. It's like walking and chewing gum. So then I'll probably stop telling you what I'm doing. I'm just going to do it. But in a nutshell, I look at these as north, south, east, and west, and I pick up these two strands that are on this side of the table, the north and the east, with my right hand, and I pick up these two with my left hand, and I'm always going opposites, and then I cross over, I drop down, my left hand go first, and I cross over with my right hand. And then I pick up the two opposites, so it's going to be something like that. And so halfway through, I'm just going to have to stop chattering because I'm not getting my brain is going to disengage. Okay, and you don't want to do it tight, so I'm just kind of flopping. If you do it tight, and it proofs and bakes, it's going to tear. So I put those two over, and I cross those two over. Those two, those two, those two, and then I just bring this and I pinch all, and I'm not going to pinch it because I want to undo it so you guys can do it. And then I pinch that together, and then I take this and I just give it a gentle roll and even it out. Then with the 3 braid, it's like doing hair. So we'll see if we can get this apart so you guys can do this. So 3 braid hair. If anybody knows how to do hair, then that's how you do that. So you're just going to take those, throw me 3 of those strands. Let's just cover this. And so the trick here again is you want to keep it loose. So these should stick together. You shouldn't have to use any egg wash. If they don't, then use some egg wash. So hair, it's just like flop, 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 flop. Okay, so hair, y'all know how to do hair? Okay, then when you get to the end, once again, you pinch, 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 you give it a little roll. So there's, in the book, there's like, I don't know, 6 different braids, something like that, whatever.
With like 6.
Yeah, there's, you know, and you can do double stacked, and there's a lot of different things you can do with this. But I think that these two, the 3 braid is simple, because everybody's done hair once in their life, right? And then that's just my version. It's a little different than the book, but that's my version, how I do what I call 4 braids and stuff, 4 ends. Okay?